Hey everyone, what's up? It's Kahoob here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Fold app. Fold is a Bitcoin rewards app that is made by self-proclaimed Bitcoiners, and Fold is a Bitcoin-only company. I've been using Fold on and off since 2019, and they were originally known to be an app where you could get Bitcoin back by buying gift cards, which you can still do, although they have added more features and products such as like their debit cards. Fold likes to advertise themselves as a way to gamble on earning Bitcoin without involving altcoins, and by gambling, I mean using their main way to earn Satoshis, which is using their spin wheel feature. I'm mainly going to be focusing on their debit cards in this video as they offer two different versions, and I want to go over the differences between them and which one may be the correct one for you, or maybe the right answer is neither of them but using the app without them. So one is a free version called Spin, and the other option is a card that has an annual fee of $100 or $10 per month called Spin Plus. You can see right here on the Fold website, it shows the different plans right here. So I want to start by going over what benefits you get from both cards. So you get free reward withdrawals, a free gold foil debit card, instant funding of your prepaid Fold card with a 1.5% fee. Keep that in mind, the Fold card is a prepaid debit card. A roundup feature, which would be, for example, where you buy an item for like $1.80 at the grocery store and it will round up to $2, so 20 cents will be invested into Bitcoin for you. An auto stack DCA feature where you can invest a specific amount of money into Bitcoin each day, week, or month automatically. It's a set it and forget it feature. Earn one spin for every $10 you spend, whether that be on a purchase at a store, on a Fold gift card, or by buying Bitcoin through the Fold app. So the app is very about spins. It's like very much about spins, all about spins. So let me go into the spin card benefits. So first of all, this card is free, so there's almost little to no reason not to get this card. Like there's almost no reason not to get it. But there are a couple reasons why you might want to avoid getting the debit card, which I will go into once I talk about the benefits you get from using the Fold app without using either of their debit cards. But for now, I'll just list out the benefits for the spin card. So you get a higher percent back in Bitcoin on their gift cards. You get access to buy Bitcoin with a 0.95% fee, a little under 1%, and a chance to win up to 2,500 Satoshis on the spin wheel, which is around, I think, $1.70 at current prices, with Bitcoin being 70,000, which is pretty low, but yeah, that's it. So take that for what you will. So that's pretty much it, as I said, for the spin card. And there may be some other features I may be missing out on, but they may be pretty trivial. For example, I know if you don't have a debit card with them, you get one free spin a day, but they expire every 24 hours with those free spins, or just the spins in general. And the spin card, your spins, whether they were free or earned, they expire every 3 days. And for the Spin Plus, they expire every 7 days after being earned. Okay, so let's get into the Spin Plus card benefits. Okay, so the Spin Plus card costs you $10 per month or $100 a year. They also offer a free trial, which I highly recommend if you're interested in trying this card. So you get a higher percent back in Bitcoin on gift cards and merchant boosts, even higher than the spin card. The percent amount will be different depending on the gift card though, so I cannot give you a specific amount of whether it'll be 1% higher or 5% higher or anything like that. You get access to exclusive gift cards, 0.5% back guaranteed on signature transactions, which is pretty low to be honest, but at least it's guaranteed. With a regular credit card, it's, the lowest they probably goes like 1%, but this is a debit card, and at least you get something back. You also get a 1.5% boost quarterly on different spending categories such as like travel, restaurants, and bars, and so on. You also get a chance to win up to 1 Bitcoin on every qualifying purchase on the spin wheel, access to buy Bitcoin with no fees, a referral bonus of 6% instead of 4% when referring others to use the app, and also no international or ATM fees. And by the way, I just have the free spin card, but when they first came out, I did get the Spin Plus card, and I paid, I think, $150. So they've actually decreased the price of the card, which makes sense because the benefits aren't as good as they used to be. Okay, so now I want to go over the fees for each card for the negatives of the card. So the Spin card has an inactivity fee of $5 per month after not initiating a transaction for 12 consecutive months, although this can be avoided by withdrawing your money from your account. But there's also a fee of return of unused card balance of $5.95, or a placement card fee of $5, international and ATM withdrawal fee of $3.50. So that's for the spin card of all the fees. Now for the Spin Plus card, the only fee is the $100 a year annual fee for the card, or $10 per month. As you can see, you save $20 a year by getting the annual membership. If you plan to get the Spin Plus card, I recommend starting with the free trial, and if you like it, then to go to the annual fee membership. All right, before I go into the benefits of using the app without getting either card, I want to mention that the Fold card is FDIC insured, meaning your USD balance is insured by Sutton Bank up to $250,000 US. Your Bitcoin rewards are not insured though, so keep that in mind, as it is important to withdraw your rewards regularly once you feel it has stacked up enough. For example, maybe keeping $5 on the app is fine, but once you reach like $50 or $100, maybe you might want to withdraw at that point. I will always recommend you to self-custody your Bitcoin, as that is very important to do, as shown by, exchanges and apps such as FTX, BlockFi, and Celsius, and so on. It's been proven time and time. Self-custody is the best way with Bitcoin. Okay, so if you use this app but don't have either debit card, you get the lowest percent back on gift card purchases. And you get free reward withdrawals still, and you get access to the spin wheel to spin once a day to earn up to only 100 Satoshis. So not the greatest, not really worth it to purposely go on the spin wheel every single day just to do that. 100 Satoshis isn't very much. And you cannot buy Bitcoin if you don't have access to either the debit cards on the app. Although one great benefit of using this basic plan and not doing the Spin or Spin Plus is the fact that you can get KYC free gift cards and KYC free Bitcoin, as all you need to do is to sign up for the app is use an email and a password. So you can create a random email or use like Proton Mail or whatever email you want. And you can also purchase gift cards using the Lightning Network, which will give you a higher percent back on gift cards than using your own debit or credit card to buy a gift card. I think, actually, I don't know or not, but I thought at one point sometimes the Lightning Network percentage back would be higher than even the Spin Plus card, but that might not be a thing anymore. But by using the Lightning Network, it would also be KYC free. So you don't need to do any KYC to withdraw your rewards either, which is really nice. So basically you can buy it, sign up for an account being KYC free. You can use a payment method of Lightning Network, which is KYC free, and you can withdraw your rewards without needing to KYC anything. But keep in mind that if you do get the free spin card, as I said, there was almost no reason not to get the spin card, to at least do that. The problem is then you end up being KYC'd. And let's say you end up not using the Fold card, then you no longer get the benefit of being KYC free if you're just doing more of the basic plan and you never use the spin card. So just keep that in mind. If you want to do a full KYC free thing, then don't go for the spin card. But yeah. Okay, now that I have gone over all the benefits of no card, spin card, and Spin Plus card, I want to show you all the chances of winning certain amounts of Bitcoin for each spin you do on the spin wheel, as well as a financial example of is it financially worth it for you to pay that yearly fee, or would it make more financial sense just to get the free card and do the rewards that way? So first off, I will show you the lowest amount of Satoshis you can earn, as well as the most and the chances of each one depending on what plan you have. All right, so that's right here. We can see it's as low as 5 Satoshis for the basic spin and Spin Plus. And then it goes all the way to 100 Satoshis for the basic. And then we can see it goes down farther to 2,500 Satoshis for the spin card. And then all the way down to 100 million Satoshis, which is 1 Bitcoin, for the Spin Plus card. So, but if we look at this, just look how low the chances are, right? Even for the Spin Plus, the chances of getting 5 Satoshis only on the spin wheel is almost 30%. It's 27.87, which is kind of crazy how high those odds are. And even just to get 25 Satoshis is literally only 7%. They have definitely changed their rewards quite a bit. As an example, we can see to win 1 Bitcoin, these odds are super low. Back in the day when they first began, the odds to win 1 Bitcoin were actually 0.02, and I had the Spin Plus card, and that was for the Spin Plus card. And I was on a vacation, and I was spending a ton, and I did not win 1 Bitcoin. I mean, it was less than 1%, right? It was 0.02. But the fact it's now it's just almost impossible, really. But there is a chance, as it shows. So it's really up to you whether you want to play these odds or not. It's definitely gambling, and the odds are super low of it ever landing, and you have to be spending a ton of money, like a lot of the time. Uh, but yeah, so this is basically the list of the chances of how many Satoshis you can earn and the odds of that happening and everything. Okay, so now it's time to get into the financial comparison of each card. So I'll be using the Old Navy gift card as an example to show which card may be better for you. So for no card, you get 2% back on the Old Navy. Spin card gets 3.5% back. Lightning gives you 4.5% back. And Spin Plus gives you 5% back. So I'll be comparing Spin versus Spin Plus rewards in this example. So imagine you spend $500 per month on Old Navy with the Spin card. That gets you $17.50 per month, which is $210 per year. Now for the Spin Plus card, if you spend $500 per month, that will get you $25 per month, which is $300 per year. But keep in mind, you have the yearly fee you have to deduct, so your rewards end up being $200 a year. So by getting the Spin Plus card, you actually lose out on $10 of Bitcoin. As I said, the Spin is $210 a year. The Spin Plus is $300 you would get minus the yearly fee. Oh, I think I said it was actually, yeah. But anyways, so you may be wondering, why would you get the Spin Plus card then, right? If you're going to earn $210 a year with the Spin card, but this one ends up being the Spin Plus. Well, the thing is, if you are a big spender, then it usually will benefit you to get the Spin Plus card. So for example, if you spend $5,000 per month on the Spin card on like Old Navy, for example, that's $2,100 a year. It's right here. Now on the Spin Plus card, it ends up being $3,000 per year in rewards with the cash back. And if you minus the yearly fee, ends up being $2,900, right? $2,900 after yearly fee. And that's an $800 difference of profit by getting the Spin Plus card instead of Spin. So in this scenario, this would be the Spin card off of the $5,000 per month, and this also would be the rewards per year on $5,000 per month with the Spin Plus card. So that $800 difference. Wait a minute. Yeah, 2,900. Yeah, so that $800 difference would be a big game changer, right? You, by getting the Spin card instead of the Spin Plus, when you spend that much money per month, you would lose out on $800 extra you could have profited. So that may be kind of crazy to know that they reward big spenders, but Fold has been pretty clear on this, that, you know, they have always rewarded big spenders more over smaller spenders, and they've been pretty transparent with this. So, you know, I'm not surprised by this example that I've just showed. And it's kind of to be expected based on their plans and everything they've talked about. And they always want to incentivize big spenders, or reward them, I should say. But yeah, if you're interested in using the app or getting one of their debit cards, then I will have a referral link down in the description for you to check out. This video is not sponsored, but if you use that referral link, that will help me out. And also you'll get some free Satoshis as well. And yeah, if you have any comments or questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But that pretty much wraps it up for the Fold app with Spin or Spin Plus. And before I sign off, I do want to show some things. I have earned almost 3 million Satoshis since I joined Fold, and currently that's worth $2,090, which is kind of crazy. And my biggest stack on a single purchase is 137,210 Satoshis, which if we go over here, 137, was it 137,210? Yeah. As $96.63 I earned back on a single purchase, which is kind of crazy. And then Bitcoin has increased 888% since I joined Fold. Is that a lucky number? I don't know. But that's a 1,879 increase in the value of my lifetime rewards in just 47 months. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's what I kind of wanted to show. And that's basically it for the Fold app and the comparisons, the differences. But yeah, I will see you all in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe for more future content like this. Hit the like button, and I'll see you all in the next one.